The Homer Timeline feature is a handy way to track important events in your home. You'll find the Timeline feature as one of the main options in the bottom menu bar. Events you add to the timeline are shown with the most recent at the top. To add an event to your home timeline, press the big blue Add button. Add a title for your event. If you mention an existing folder, Homer will suggest them as tags. Then, add a description if you like. To be displayed on the timeline, an event needs a date. You choose how specific you want the date to be, ranging from which year to a specific date. To help you filter the timeline, you can add one or more categories to your events. Select the categories from the list that most accurately describes this event. In Homer, information can be connected and grouped using tags. This means you can tag your event with one or more folders. This helps you navigate to more information about that event. As mentioned, you can filter your timeline to only see one or few specific types of events, such as renovations or your purchases perhaps. This means that your home timeline will never be too cluttered. If an event has a tag, you can click on it to open that folder, making it easy for you to see more relevant information about the event, like pictures or expenses. Use the timeline to document the story of your home. Improvements, additions, investments, and more. Know what was done and when, and have it nicely ordered in a simple but helpful timeline.